everybody. Welcome to Eva's School of Aromatherapy. Join Raghda and Ginger on a unique, hands-on, Level 1 Certified Aromatherapist program. This 5-day in-person intensive course will focus on essential oils, aromatic history, botany, chemistry, anatomy, and physiology. We will learn methods of blending, applications, formulations, and safety. You will create and take home amazing products with unique botanicals from around the world. Your learning will be supported with sound healing, yoga, and meditation. Also included, an Egyptian cooking session, a botanical field trip, and a mini distillation class, as well as breakfast and lunch in a relaxed and beautiful setting. And a free 1-year NAHA membership. Together we will share a deep dive into the world of aromatherapy and learn how it can benefit and enhance your life and those you love. See you soon in New Jersey.